G smash, bro, man. Niggas know what time it is, man.
He ain't pushed me, ain't nobody pushed me.
Word up. Shout out to the CCM and all that, man. Y'all niggas know what time it is, man. Shout out to Talking Money DVD, man.
Millions, baby, make millions. Beat maker producer.
You already, man. We in here. Look like it's going down in my hood. I don't know about yours, though. Or the riffraff for what, you mean? Oh, we got dirty in the mouth. What in there? Oh, they done fuck my scene up, man. Word up, man. What up? Y'all niggas already know what time it is, man. It's Talking Money DVD, like I said before. Canary G Smash Bros. Free KRIS, man. That's how we give it up, man. Listen, man, I'ma just drop something real high for y'all, man. The rest of y'all niggas gotta pay for me, you dig? That's how I give it up. I say, yo, my grind steady, and my mind ready. I told a 9 Desi with a blind Bessie. You the type of nigga your bitch just slide on. Late night creep, I'm the type of nigga your bitch will ride on. Go ahead, though, you can get your 5 on. If you heard about a gangster, it's simply me. I walk around punking niggas like this MTV. Next nigga front beats on them like an MP3. Man, I ain't pussy, I'm a thug. Brooklyn running my blood. Treat your face like a ribbon, shoot shots at your mug. Yo, these niggas wanna stunt, wanna get their man gun. I'll push his wig back like he getting his head done. s.gutta Canary, man, I'm letting you breathe. Put the heat to your throat and stop letting you eat. It's been a long time coming, I ain't down with the roots. Shit, I sell more trees than a Timberland boot. Yeah, I'm with you, girl, you know me, I'm thinking ahead. I put your brains in front of your body, now you thinking ahead. Please, though, don't get ahead of yourself. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, man, hold on, man. It's going down, man. Y'all niggas know. Yo, it's going down, man. Like, we're shaking, man. It's Talking Money DVD, man. Canary G Smash Bros, man. Free KRIS, man. You know what I mean? Anybody wanna make niggas know where I'm at, man? Bitches too, man. Y'all see what we go through, man. You heard me?